I have no idea why this happens. I've owned probably Ford F-150s for over 20 plus years. And for some reason on the 2021 Ford F-150, the birds love to put their nests right inside there. I've only had this truck for 2 years, but I have to keep removing everything to prevent them from building this up, because if it builds up, it's probably going to cause issues with wire connectors, could even cause some corrosion, because if it gets wet, it's just going to sit there in a big sopping mess. So I got to keep taking this out of here. And the last 2 years, so it's been in June, July is when they start doing this. But for some reason, it's only on the passenger side. They don't do this on the driver's side. I didn't realize there was so much in there, but looks like pine needles, moss, leaves, and even some plastic trash in there. That's a lot. And there's still some in there that I need to get out. I need to do something to close that up, because can't have this keep happening.